Welcome to JB's Academy of Science. In this lesson, we are going to learn about continuous charge distributions and the types. Continuous charge distributions. Continuous charge distribution is a system in which charge is distributed on a body. Charge can be distributed on a body in three different ways, or objects can be charged in three different ways. One, line charge distribution or linear charge distribution. Two, area charge distribution or surface charge distribution. Three, volume charge distribution. Now let us see these three types of charge distributions. First one, line charge distribution. If the charges are distributed along a single line, it is said to be a line charge distribution or a linear charge distribution. Look at the picture given here. Here, positive charges are aligned or distributed along a single line. So it is an example for a line charge distribution. Now, if you consider charge per unit length on this distribution, it is called linear charge density, and it is usually denoted by a letter lambda. Now consider a small length dl on this distribution. Then let dq be the small charge over the length dl. Then linear charge density lambda is equal to dq divided by dl. The unit of linear charge density is coulomb per meter. Surface charge distribution. In surface charge distribution or area charge distribution, charge is distributed over a surface of the object. For example, if you charge a conductor, all charges will reside on the surface of the conductor. Charge will be distributed over the surface of the conductor. Such a charge distribution is called surface charge distribution or area charge distribution or plane charge distribution. The charge per unit area of the distribution is called surface charge density, and it is denoted by the letter sigma. Now look at the picture shown here. It is an example for surface charge distribution. Positive charge is distributed over a surface. Now consider a small area dA. Let dq be the charge on the small area dA. Then surface charge density sigma is equal to dq divided by dA. The unit of surface charge density is coulomb per meter square. Volume charge distribution. If the charges are distributed over a volume, it is said to be volume charge distribution. For example, if you charge a body which is made up of an insulator, we can even charge interior of the body. So we can distribute charge even inside the body, or we can distribute the charge over the entire volume of the body. Now look at the picture shown here. Here positive charge is distributed over the complete volume of this body. Now charge per unit volume of the distribution is called volume charge density. It is usually denoted by the letter rho. Consider a small volume in this figure dV. Let dq be the charge on the small volume dV. Then volume charge density rho is equal to dq divided by dV. Unit of volume charge density is coulomb per meter cube. These are the three different types of continuous charge distributions. Thanks for watching the video. Please ask your doubts in the comment section, and please add your opinion and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.